Metal and nonmetal are two broad categories of elements on the periodic table, each with distinct properties and characteristics. In this explanation, we'll delve into what defines metals and nonmetals, explore their properties, and provide examples to illustrate these concepts. 1. Introduction to metals and nonmetals. Metals and nonmetals are two of the three major classifications of elements on the periodic table, the third being metalloids. These categories are based on the properties and behaviors of the elements. Metals constitute the majority of elements on the periodic table. They are typically characterized by their luster, malleability, ductility, and conductivity of heat and electricity. Metals tend to lose electrons to form positively charged ions cations, and often exhibit metallic bonding. Nonmetals, on the other hand, are diverse in their properties. They lack the typical characteristics of metals and often exhibit properties such as brittleness, dullness, poor conductivity, and tend to gain or share electrons in chemical reactions to form negative ions anions. Nonmetals can be found in various states of matter, including solids, liquids, and gases. 2. Properties of metals. Physical properties. Luster. Metals have a shiny appearance due to their ability to reflect light. Malleability. Metals can be hammered into thin sheets without breaking. Ductility. Metals can be drawn into thin wires without breaking. Conductivity. Metals are good conductors of electricity and heat due to the mobility of electrons within the metal lattice. High density. Metals tend to have high densities compared to nonmetals. Chemical properties. Reactivity. Metals vary in their reactivity. Some metals like sodium and potassium are highly reactive, while others like gold and platinum are relatively inert. Corrosion. Many metals react with oxygen or other substances in the environment, leading to corrosion or tarnishing. Formation of positive ions. Metals tend to lose electrons to form positively charged ions cations in chemical reactions. Examples of metals: 1. Iron Fe, found in steel, used in construction and manufacturing. 2. Copper Cu, used in electrical wiring, plumbing, and electronics. 3. Gold O, valued for its rarity and used in jewelry and currency. 4. Aluminum Al, widely used in construction, transportation, and packaging due to its light weight and corrosion resistance. 5. Silver Ag, valued for its conductivity and used in electronics and photography. 3. Properties of nonmetals. Physical properties. Dullness. Nonmetals lack the luster characteristic of metals and often appear dull. Brittleness. Nonmetals are often brittle and tend to shatter when subjected to force. Low density. Nonmetals generally have lower densities compared to metals.